Hi guys, Kathy here. I'm apologizing for what happened to my last video. It appears that I don't have enough of what I need in my computer to run a lot of these long videos. I'm just going to finish up where I took off yesterday. I think I stopped here at this broccoli, which is looking good. Of course, the lilies are great. My little cabbage here that the bunny ate is looking good. This cabbage here is looking sweet. And the broccoli, which was the one that I saved, the only one I didn't throw out, is giving me broccoli, which I'm so thankful for. I've got more broccoli here and more over here in the corner. And down here, my other little cabbage that has the leaves burnt a little bit, but you know, that's okay. I'm getting broccoli. That's more important. And the other thing that I wanted to show you was this. This was the biggest thing, and this was the pumpkins that I thought I was going to lose. Well, as you can see, not only did I not lose them, I had to take out both of the peppers, which are now in the pots on the porch that are giving me the green peppers. And I have put this kind of wonky looking thing here to let you see that they more in a week, about a week and a couple of days, have just gone nuts. And they are putting on fruit. You can see down there, there's fruit. Some of them are little and they fall off, but some of them are now getting larger and they are staying on. I want to thank you guys for sticking with me and not getting riled up because I didn't do something right. I just want to thank you for staying with me. Check like if you do. Subscribe if you'd like to, and give me the opportunity to figure out how I could find enough money to buy a new computer or something, an updated computer. I really appreciate you all. Love you. Bye-bye now.